Welcome to the official video overview for the initial public offer of GEM Aromatics Limited. GEM Aromatics Limited is an established manufacturer of specialty ingredients, including essential oils, aroma chemicals, and value-added derivatives in India, with a track record of over 2 decades. This video is directed at and is intended for distribution to and use by residents of India only. The information in this video is not for publication or distribution directly or indirectly in or into the United States. No part of the contents of this video shall be copied or duplicated in any form by any means or redistributed. You are viewing this video on the basis that you have confirmed your representation, agreement, and acknowledgement to the book running lead manager and GEM Aromatics Limited that you are the intended recipient of this video and you are located in India. If you are not permitted to view this video or are in any doubt as to whether you are permitted to view this video, please exit this video. Caution: investors are advised not to rely on any other document, content or information provided in respect to the public issue on the internet, online, websites, social media platforms, micro-blogging platforms, by finfluencers. Investors are advised to rely only on the information contained in the offer document and pre-offer and price band advertisement for making investment decision. Investors are advised to read the red herring prospectus dated August 12, 2025. The pre-offer and price band advertisement dated August 12, 2025 carefully before taking any investment decision in relation to the offer. Initial public offering of up to equity shares of face value of 2 rupees, equity shares, each at a price of rupees per equity share, including a share premium of rupees per equity share, aggregating up to million rupees, comprising of a fresh offer up to equity shares of face value of 2 rupees each, aggregating up to 1,750 million rupees, and an offer for sale of up to 8,500,000 equity shares of face value of 2 rupees each, aggregating up to million rupees. The anchor investor bidding period will close on August 18, 2025. The offer will open on August 19, 2025 and close on August 21, 2025. The company was originally incorporated as GEM Aromatics Private Limited as a private limited company under the Companies Act 1956, pursuant to Certificate of Incorporation dated October 3, 1997, issued by the Registrar of Companies, Maharashtra at Mumbai, upon the conversion of the company into a public limited company pursuant to a board resolution dated July 13, 2023, and a shareholders' resolution dated July 14, 2023, the name of the company was changed to GEM Aromatics Limited, and a fresh certificate of incorporation dated August 17, 2023, was issued by the ROC. The company offers a diversified portfolio of products, ranging from the mother ingredients to its various value-added derivatives. The company's products find application across a broad spectrum of industries, such as oral care, cosmetics, nutraceuticals, pharmaceuticals, wellness and pain management, and personal care. In India, the company has a dominant presence in essential oil-based products and derivatives that are manufactured from mint, clove, eucalyptus oils, and other essential oils. Source: F&S Report. The F&S report has been exclusively commissioned and paid for in connection with the offer, and any reliance on such information for making an investment decision in the offer is subject to inherent risks. The company offers 70 products across its 4 product categories, namely 1. Mint and mint derivatives, 2. Clove and clove derivatives, 3. Phenol, and 4. Other synthetic and natural ingredients. The company is among the leading suppliers in many of the product lines that the company operates in. Source: F&S Report. The company has established long-standing relationships with several domestic and global corporate customers such as Colgate-Palmolive India Limited, Dabur India Limited, Patanjali Ayurved Limited, Asage Kelkar and Company Limited, Rosari Biotech Limited, Simrise Private Limited, doTERRA, Ventos, So Brasileireli, and An Hui Hautian Spices Co., Limited, as well as several domestic and global merchant traders. In fiscal 2025, the company supplied products to 225 customers domestically and 44 customers cumulatively across 18 foreign countries globally, covering geographies including the Americas, Asia, Africa, and Australia. The company operates 3 manufacturing facilities located in Badaयूं, Uttar Pradesh, Silvassa, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, and Daman and Diu and Dahej, Gujarat. As on March 31st, 2025, the company has a dedicated in-house R&D team comprising of 13 scientists that play a pivotal role in implementing the state-of-the-art technology adopted by the company that has helped the company to advance its formulations across the value-added derivatives. Investors should note the following important risks. 1. The company derives a significant portion of revenue from top 10 customers. In fiscal 2025, the company derived 56.06% of total revenue from operations from top 10 customers. The loss of any of these customers may adversely affect the revenues and profitability of the company. 2. The company derives a significant portion of revenue from the top customer, doTERRA Global Limited, formerly known as doTERRA GH Ireland Limited, doTERRA, with whom the company has entered into a supply agreement, the term of which is ending on December 31st, 2028. If doTERRA chooses not to source their requirements from the company, there may be a material adverse effect on the company's business, financial condition, cash flows, and results of operations. 3. The company derives a substantial portion of the company's revenue from the mint and mint derivatives product category. In fiscal 2025, 2024, and 2023, the company derived 69.12%, 72.89%, and 69.98% of the company's revenue from operations from the mint and mint derivatives product category. Any reduction in demand for products under the mint and mint derivatives product category may adversely affect the company's revenues and profitability. 4. The company is involved in an ongoing litigation in the Supreme Court of India with respect to the land on which our Budon facility is located. Any adverse outcome in such proceedings may have an adverse effect on the company's business, results of operations, financial condition, and cash flows. 5. One of the entities, Gopinath Dairy Products Private Limited, which is identified as a part of the promoter group under the SEBI ICDR regulations, is undergoing liquidation proceedings and accordingly has not provided any information. Further, Lalabhai Hargovindas Chitalia, Krishna Lalabhai Chitalia, and Rajesh Lalabhai Chitalia, individual members of our promoter group, along with Gopinath Dairy Products Private Limited, have been identified as willful defaulters in their capacity as directors and guarantor of Gopinath Dairy Products Private Limited. All information in relation to Gopinath Dairy Products Private Limited included in the RHP have been obtained from publicly available sources, and the disclosures included may be limited in the context of requirement under the SEBI ICDR regulations. Please read the risk factors beginning on page 29 of the RHP. The promoters of the company are Vipul Parekh, Kaksha Vipul Parekh, Yash Vipul Parekh, and Parekh Family Trust, who hold an aggregate of 35,139,364 equity shares, constituting 75.00% of the pre-offer issued, subscribed, and paid-up equity share capital of the company. Selling shareholders of the company are as follows. The board of the company comprises of 8 directors, of whom 5 are independent directors, including 2 women, independent directors. Company's revenue from operations during fiscal 2025 was 5,039.53 million rupees, with an EBITDA margin of approximately 17.55% in fiscal 2025. The company registered a restated PAT of approximately 533.84 million rupees, reflecting a PAT margin of approximately 10.56% in fiscal 2025. Investors are advised to read the RHP, including pages beginning 286 for further information on financials and related information. There are outstanding legal proceedings involving the company, its subsidiaries, directors, promoters, KMPs and SMPs, and any adverse outcome in such proceeding may affect its business, results of operations and financial condition. For further details, see Outstanding Litigation and Material Developments on page 377 of the RHP. The company proposes to utilize the net proceeds from the fresh offer, prepayment and/or repayment, in full or in part, of all or a portion of certain outstanding borrowings availed by the company and its subsidiary, Crystal Ingredients Private Limited. The price band for the IPO is 309 rupees per equity share, floor price, to 325 rupees per equity share, cap price. The minimum bid lot is 46 equity shares. Please read Basis for Offer Price, beginning on page 125 of the RHP and Pre-Offer and Price Band advertisement dated August 12, 2025, for further information. IPO will be conducted through book building with allotment of not more than 50% of the offer to qualified institutional buyers. QIBs, not less than 15% to non-institutional bidders, NIBs, and not less than 35% to retail individual bidders. The equity shares will be listed on BSE Limited and the National Stock Exchange of India Limited. Motilal Oswal Investment Advisors Limited is the book-running lead manager to the offer. Investments in equity and equity-related securities involve a degree of risk, and investors should not invest any funds in the offer unless they can afford to take the risk of losing their entire investment. Please read the red herring prospectus dated August 12, 2025. The pre-offer and price band advertisement dated August 12, 2025, and any corrigendum or addendums thereto before taking any investment decision in relation to the offer. Investors are advised not to rely on any other document or information for making their investment decision. Disclaimer: neither the company nor the promoters and selling shareholders are seeking any investment from you based on this video. This is a video for information purposes only and is not a promotional video and does not constitute an invitation or offer to acquire, purchase, or subscribe to the equity shares of the company. Potential investors should rely only on the disclosures made in the red herring prospectus dated August 12, 2025. Any addenda and corrigenda thereto, and the pre-offer and price band advertisement dated August 12, 2025, for taking any investment decision in relation to the offer.